this is the desk that I did on Friday. I'm gonna close the curtain here. I posted it on my Instagram. It's chalk paint. This was originally this is chalk paint, but I sealed it with polyacrylic or something like that. So I need to do that to this table. The top of it is the contact paper, which I got from the Dollar Tree. So I used two because this is really not a desk. It's like it was a table that I found on the side of the road that had leaves going, they could fold down. And I took those leaves off. That's why you could see that right there. And I made it into a desk. So my older son had it, but now he has a new desk that I'm going to redo. And I gave this one to Jacob and Adam. And this is the chair that they're going to use. I might end up painting this chair black. I don't know yet. For now, I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't mind the mess. We're going to be cleaning right now. So this is what his desk looks like. It was free as well. It's not the best, but it's functional. It works, and that is okay with me. I'm going to be sanding this down and painting it, and I think I'm gonna do gray in here because I have gray paint that I took away from my dad yesterday. I'm gonna be doing the same contact paper at the top, so that darker brown. And for the knobs, I am gonna be putting some black ones. Well, they were wood, but I just painted them with the black acrylic paint. That is what I'm gonna be doing with this desk. And I'm also gonna take this off because you could take this off. I don't like that. So that one and that one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry for the intro, but I was just showing you the things that I've been redoing here at home, and I hope you guys like them. I'm sharing stories on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me there, go ahead and follow me. I will be leaving the link down below. I like to DIY things, so I hope if that is something you like, then I will continue to post and add to my videos when I do them. So now let's get on to the cleaning. We are going to be cleaning a few things here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. As you guys can see, this sponge just doesn't get soapy enough. I don't know why. I keep adding soap and it just looks like I'm not even cleaning my dishes. So I can't wait to finish it was like a 3-pack, and then I'll get some new ones. And the spray that I'm going to be using to clean mostly all the house is the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle. Every day I reach your isn't too messy. I just need to pick it up. I just want to show you guys so you guys don't think that I'm cleaning nothing. I have to vacuum. It's not gonna show as good as it does in person, but I gotta vacuum. Gotta wipe this down. My couch needs to be vacuumed. So does the carpet, huh? I'm also gonna wipe down my TV because it has a lot of fingerprints. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh,
Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out slim as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up.
As I'm vacuuming here, you're gonna see that I didn't finish it all because I got a call and I didn't realize, so the camera, because I used my phone, it stopped recording. So then I just realized after when I was editing.
Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you, baby.
So right now I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the kitchen. The dining table has been cleaned, so I didn't really do anything over there. Just go ahead and vacuum this, and then we are going to clean this very messy laundry room. Way much better. This is the catch-all. When we don't know where to put something, it always ends up in here. I clear that out. I wipe that out because it has a lot of lint. Threw away the lint basket over there. Don't mind that, that's for work. The shoes I wear to go outside. Left that there, and there it is. All nice and clean. Ready for everyone to shove things in there again. So there it is. I'm gonna make the beds, pick up the floors. I'm not gonna vacuum. I did that yesterday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then go ahead and follow me there, because like I said, I post stories on there, cleaning motivation on there now. So go ahead and follow me there. I wiped everything down yesterday too. Well, not like the bed frames, just like where my kids usually touch. Same for over here. I have to wash that. I wiped that down, the bed down. So I just need to make the beds, and same for my room.
Breathe out,
To clean my sink, I'm going to be using the Barkeeper's Friend with some just regular dish soap. If this video gave you some motivation or if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to hit the like. And also, if you're new, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit it now before you leave, because I know you'll forget. So from this point on, I'm going to show you how I DIY'd my son's desk. So if you want to keep on watching, then I would appreciate that so much. So let's get on to the makeover. So as you can see there, I unscrewed those two pieces that I said I didn't want on the desk. I went ahead and did that, and then I went ahead and wiped it all down, make sure that it was nice and clean. And then I could have sanded it, but it was cold outside, so I told my husband to like lightly sand it. He didn't have to take everything off. I just wanted like for him to take kind of like the polish off. And then after that, we brought it inside and I gave it the first coat of paint, and then I did a second coat of paint, and then I kind of just let it dry overnight because it was pretty late and I didn't want to like touch it or anything like that. And then in the morning I added on the little knobs that I just painted with the acrylic black paint, but I think I need to seal that so that it doesn't come off when I clean it. And then after that, I added the contact paper that I got from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. And the paint, my dad had some left over, so I went ahead and just used that. So, and the desk was free, so this literally cost me nothing to make, and that was awesome. And my son has a nice new desk now that he's gonna enjoy. So for the contact paper, I used a card to take away all the bubbles that I could. There was still some left over, but you know, you just got to try your best going back and forth with it. And then also with the scissors, I try to cut away as much as I could. It's better to use a box cutter, but that's all I had, so it worked perfectly fine. If you guys made it this far and you got to see how it turned out, then let me know in the comments if you guys liked it, and also hit that thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed the video. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.